Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a quick deploy for Lumeo. Follow along to deploy a pre-built analytics solution in just a few minutes. Make sure that you have two things for this tutorial. First is an NVIDIA family device such as a Jetson NX, Orin, or x86 with DGPU. If not, you can use Lumeo's free trial gateway from Lumeo Cloud that comes with every new account. Second, you will need a USB or IP camera as an input source. If you do not have one, you can also use an RTSP stream, video clip, or a sample stream. You can find sample streams in the description of this video. Now that you have everything ready, head over to the Deploy tab and press Quick Deploy. Now you can select your gateway. Gateways are servers that you can run analytic pipelines on. To use the Lumeo Cloud Gateway, press Start Trial Cloud Gateway. Then wait a minute for the Cloud Gateway to become ready to use. Then press Continue, and then select the Trial Cloud Gateway. Press Continue. Here is where you set up your video stream or camera. You can look in each of these tabs and figure out the specifications needed for each. For example, in this first tab, Lumeo is able to discover any cameras that are connected to your computer, as well as you can manually add a camera using specified information. For ONFIF cameras, it's an IP address. For USB, it's a file path. And for virtual, it's just the camera name. You also can use add input stream, which allows you to take a video from a URL and run analytics on it. For this video, we are going to be using each of the demo streams that Lumeo has downloaded on here. As you can see, each of these have different videos from a mall parking lot, a mall exit, as well as the mall guests. After that, just press Save All Streams. In just a moment, you'll be able to see a preview of these open up. Now that the preview is opened up, you can press each of these and select them as the streams that you want to use for the analytic pipeline. Lastly, you can select either a template pipeline or a custom pipeline you built. Open each of the streams and then select the analytic pipeline that you want to use. Here we have over 40 different templates that you can use. For this tutorial, we are going to be using the object detection pipeline for each of these streams. So head over here, press Basics of Object Detection, click on it, and now it's configured. So you can see that the pipeline over here is configured to this video source. And then now that it's configured, you can just select it for each and then click Deploy. So after a few minutes, you can see that the status changed from deploying to running, and then just click on your mall guest and then wait a few minutes for the video to process. After a few minutes, you should see that the video comes through, and you can see that each of the objects, that being people in this video, is being detected. And you can also see the FPS in the top left-hand corner. If at any point you want to edit your deployment, just head over to the Deployments tab, click on any of these, and then go to Configuration. After that, you can augment the video source as well as the AI model and any of the other info included in the nodes, which we will discuss in a later video. Now you have created a gateway with a pre-built analytic pipeline.